Go for it. Hack it like a man, dude. All right. Now come in on it. Yep. Go back down like you did. Yep. And we're gonna get in the middle here. We want to make sure the knife is nice and sharp. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. And come on top. And just cut straight down. Just so we get through there. We just want to get through there. Nice and thin. Don't cut that off. Grab it. Cut it. Cut away from your body. Good. All the way through. All right, let's see what you got. All right, go ahead and do your thing. All right, we'll do that. So now we're gonna take the meat tenderizer. We got our seasonings in there. I was gonna pound it. So now we're gonna season this in a little bit of sauce here and let it sit and marinate. Put them all in there. So we're just gonna let that sit there. All right. There you have it. Bazzi with the Salt Bae. He said that didn't go up. Let's open fire here. Lay them down across the sides. Don't get burned out. Let me do it. You ain't the ones I wanted you to bring. I want you to bring the other ones. Right back.
Don't put your hands over a fire. We're professionals.
You stay that loose in that deer meat.